Are you selling something online? Then it's very likely that you work with a user base that you have to maintain, sort, analyze, and update constantly. And it's no job for just two hands. But it can be if you bring everything under a well-organized system. Well, FluentCRM is here to do just that. It is a one-stop solution that is going to save your time and boost your business. So what can you do with FluentCRM? Using this WordPress CRM plugin, you'll never have to leave your website to accomplish different tasks. Get all your data in one place. A quick glance at the dashboard and you have an overview of your contacts, campaigns, earnings, and so on. FluentCRM is very much self-hosted. Maintaining customer relations and finding new ones is a tough job, but it largely involves loads of mind-numbing routine tasks. With FluentCRM, you can run a successful email campaign without breaking a sweat. All you need to do is compose your email, choose and filter the audience, and decide when to dispatch them. What you don't need to do is actually sit there and send them individually. Emails will be sent as scheduled, and once that's done, you get to know how they performed through the open rate, CTR, and other parameters. In fact, you can know the response of your individual customers. Did they open your email? Now you know all you need to know to categorize your contacts. Put them in different lists. Add tags to further specialize. Instead of generic lists, you now have lists based on categories suitable to your needs. Base them on anything: email subscription, buying behavior, even the ones with the same first name as you. FluentCRM lets you truly understand your customers and realize each niche. Once you got that down, it's time to mail them. With FluentCRM's email automation, this dreadful part will feel more like a breeze. Set up the email sequence, choose the triggers, and the mails will be flying out by themselves. No delay, no mistakes. Also, you can use the data from dynamic segmentation to target distinct niches of customers and treat them with uniquely personalized emails. Orchestrate a journey for your customers using our marketing automation funnel. Worrying over how to do that? Stop right there. Setting up an automation funnel with FluentCRM takes zero experience. Choose who enters the funnel, what will be the triggers, what happens at each stage of the funnel. The options are already given. You just have to choose and click the up or down button beside each card for changing their order. You can see where your customers are in the funnel, how they're behaving, and make changes instantly. The beauty of FluentCRM is in the details. Get reports on all your CRM activities. How many emails were sent, opened, got clicked, got bounced, got your user to unsubscribe. A successful campaigner should know it all. Real-time funnel analysis lets you see exactly where the hiccup is. Analyze the granular reports. Do A/B testing with your emails. Do link click tracking using UTM parameters and boost your click-through rate with razor-sharp precision. FluentCRM is a feature-rich CRM plugin in itself. The deal gets even better when you consider all the integrations it comes with. The plugin is so easy to use, yet leaves so much room for you to be creative with your marketing campaigns. And we are excited to see what outputs you can bring once you get the hang of it. Want to know more about the plugin? Just Google FluentCRM from your favorite browser and you will definitely find lots of documentations, blog posts, and tutorial videos. So grab FluentCRM now and explore the magic inside. and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more videos like this.